Welcome to SPS Education. Learn, grow, and succeed. Admissions are open for our premium courses. Get expert faculty and quality content.
Hello everyone, welcome to our SPS online education platform. Our aim is to provide quality education to students anytime and anywhere. We offer online courses for plus 2 arts, CSSC, and commerce, plus 3 arts and commerce, CUET and CPET PG. Our classes are designed by expert teaching with quality study materials, regular tests, and complete doubt support. Students can also access learning resources, exam tips, and updates through apps. Our SPS education apps, visit our website and apps links also, and follow on social media like SPS Education Instagram and YouTube channel. Mm, Our goal is to help students learn, grow, and success. Join us and let's achieve your academic goals together. The 4-year undergraduate course consists of 8 semesters. Today we will start with the first semester. In the first semester, core 1 course include 2 papers, that is paper 1 is basic economics 1 and paper 2 Indian economy. Today we will discuss basic economics 1's syllabus. Basic Economic 1 introduces the fundamental concept of microeconomic and macroeconomics. It helps students understand how market and consumer make decisions, apply economic concept to real life situation, and develop knowledge of key macroeconomic variables. सेमिस्टर 1 बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स रे चारोटी यूनिट रही फास्ट दीटा यूनिट होची माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स रिलेटेड एवं सेकंड एवं थर्ड एवं फोर्थ यूनिट होची मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स रिलेटेड फास्ट यूनिट रे हमें देखिबा एक्सप्लोरिंग द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स मार्केट एंड वेलफेयर फास्ट यूनिट रे हमें पढ़िबा 10 principle of economics, market forces, demand and supply, elasticity of demand, elasticity of supply ଏବଂ ଏହାର determinate method ସବୁ ଆମେ ପଢିବା ତା ସହିତ consumer surplus ରହିଛି first unit help us understand how the economy and market work ତାପରେ second unit ରହିଛି theory of consumer choice ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ବଜେଟ୍ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ଇଣ୍ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ କର୍ ବାବଦରେ ଦେଖିବା ଅପ୍ଟିମାଇଜେସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇକ୍ୱିଲିବ୍ରିୟମ୍ and demand analysis এবং ଏହି ୟୁନିଟ୍ help us understand consumer behavior থার্ড ୟୁନିଟ୍ରେ ରହିଛି ଯେଉଁଟା ମ୍ୟାକ୍ରୋ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ ପାର୍ଟ ସେଥିରେ ରହିଛି ବେସିକ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ରୋ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସ we'll study the difference between macro and microeconomics, stock and flow variable, ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ଇନକମ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟ ରହିଛି ଯାହାକି GDP ମାନେ ଗ୍ରସ୍ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ GNP ଗ୍ରସ୍ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ ନେଟ୍ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ ନେଟ୍ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ପ୍ରଡ଼କ୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ ମାର୍କେଟ୍ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର କଷ୍ଟ ଏହିସବୁ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା In four unit, we will learn how national income is measured. 4 unit ରହିଛି measurement of macroeconomic ଯେମିତି ରହିଛି आउटपुट इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड जो आम नेशनल इनकम मेजरमेंट करवा एवं सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स जोटा 2 सेक्टर इकोनॉमी 3 सेक्टर 4 सेक्टर इकोनॉमी रही इकोनॉमिक्स वेलफेयर कौन ग्रीन अकाउंटिंग यही सब पढ़ा यही यूनिट एक्सप्लेन करे हाउ ए कंट्री इकोनॉमिक परफॉर्मेंस इज मेजर यही सब रहा आपणकर 4 यूनिट रे बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स 1 जो रही सेटा कंप्लीट सिलेबस यहाँ आम डिटेल्स रे नेक्स्ट क्लास रे पढ़ा।